How to get skinny. Fast way to get skinny.
It is said that if a woman's soul is a woman's wealth, to have a beautiful woman. If many people dream of it, if 4 minutes of simple exercise every day can make you easily have a small waist, would you like to do it? Simple waist thinning movement. Fix your legs for 3 seconds and then return to the original position. Then do the same movement to the right side. Just do it for 30 seconds and you will work your abs and stretch yours. If you feel sore after you do it, it means the movement is correct. This movement requires you to lie on your side on the floor. Place your right hand on your left belly. Place your hand behind your head so that your elbows are pointing towards the ceiling, and then slowly raise your legs as high as you can. It is best to hold the upper body for a second and then put your feet and shoulders down to accept it. You can continue to repeat the above steps for 15 seconds each time. This action will make your abdominal fat move, but it needs to be done slowly or it will be easy to pull. The muscle breaking action is very effective. First, lie on the ground like seafood and grow your legs and arms. Then lift your legs and arms at the same time and bend your knees and elbows. Hold this position for a second and then relax. This action can fully exercise you. The fat on the belly and rocker arm only needs to be done for a few days to see the effect, but the posture must be correct. Then we will do the measurement. First, press the right knee to the ground and straighten the right hand to ensure that the thigh and right hand are parallel. Then hold your left hand to your head, lift your straight left foot and hold it for a second to slowly return to the original movement. Next, lie flat on the floor, bend your knees, your legs are wider than shoulder width, and your arms are at your sides. Now do a slow knee brace. Extend and stretch your left arm. Lift your upper body off the floor and stretch your arms forward for 2 seconds, then go back to the original movement, then switch hands and do the same movement for 30 seconds. This movement is to exercise your lower back, and remember to keep breathing when doing the movement. If you encounter it, it's very easy to make mistakes if you don't stop running immediately. If you see here, have you learned the marriage? Yuntao has discussed the marriage below the video. After this video is finished, go here. If you like the video, remember to like, follow and forward it. So see you next time. Bye.
To read the full article, click on the link below.